Franchise. Thank you so much for sponsoring this event with us. And tell us about your brand.
Yeah, Dan Claps here, CEO of Voda Cleaning and Restoration. We're the fastest growing restoration franchise in America right now, with over 121 territories around the country and over 50 franchise owners.
That's awesome. Well, we want to thank you again, and let's have some fun.
Let's do it.
Conference coming up in November, and my question to Voda is, why would Voda want to come to our conference?
I mean, for us, we did 12 units in 3 weeks with FBA. Like, we had a discovery day where 80% of the candidates for that particular discovery day were from FBA brokers. So for us, it's a no-brainer. We've invested into going to events and treating your brokers out to dinners and learning from them and meeting them. And so for us, like, if you're a franchisor, you got to keep investing into going to the conferences and be patient.